Fox and Crow, a short story. One day, a crow was sitting on the branch of tree. He had a piece of cheese in his beak. A fox was passing by. He saw the crow with the cheese. His mouth started watering. He thought of a plan. He said to the crow, "Dear crow, you have such a sweet voice. Can you sing a song for me?" The silly crow opened his mouth and started singing, "Caw, caw, caw." The cheese fell down from the crow's beak, and the fox took the cheese and walked away happily. Moral: selfish people speak sweet words to serve their own ends. Thank you for watching.